Play. Okay, that looks like a nail art. Okay. Brush. What type of design is this? Okay, is this just blending it? Ah, that white color is giving too good look. Play. Okay, what this guy is doing with that so? Oh, that socks is giving that look of the upper top or something. This guy is just next level, man. Okay, what's that? That's just okay. It's giving some type of cloth look, man. Oh, that's not a his nose. He's having those nose. Okay, that's just I don't know what we can say. Oh, that looks too good. Okay, not recommended. Yes. Okay, that looks like some cloth or something. This guy is amazing and creative too. Play. Okay, that looks like, of course, that's an apple, and that someone is creating. Okay, well, where those apple gone? Okay, they're making us learn how to make those apple. Okay, just shading it up. You can create 3D using 3 or 4 pencils, 2B and 4B. Okay, you can also create this shading directly, but you cannot add depth with this, man. It looks 3D but not that great, but for some time in few minutes you can add. Play. Okay, what's that? Okay, that looks like a cucumber. Oh, cucumber art. That dish looks too good, man. That's a rose. That rose is of course filled with tomato. I guess she's just making those roses. How is she making, man? Okay, that's a base. Cutting that remaining parts in some pieces. Ah, okay, now finally it looks like a rose. Beautiful. Play. Okay, what's that? Of course. Oh, that's a tattoo, man. That's not something on someone's cloth or something. It looks too real. That's a 3D art. Ah, it's just popping out from page, man. Play. Okay, what's that? That looks like an animal or something. What is that? So, okay, let's just see. That's a smaller animal. That why it's moving? That's a leg of someone. Two people are just blended on each other, man, and that is just creating salute, man. That's a too good art, man.